For years, websites have been posting mugshots of people and making them pay a fee to take them down. The website MISSmugshots.com charges people $400 to take down their mugshots. A lot of people have considered this extortion. In response, the Virginia State Senate wrote a bill to try to stop this. Senate Bill 720 would make it illegal for websites to charge money in order to take down mugshots. The law passed through the Virginia House and Senate and will go into effect once Governor Terry McAuliffe signs it. Rockbridge County investigator Tony McFadden likes the plan.
I think it's a good attempt at a good law. Mugshots are public record, and if a company has access to them and wants to publish them, then that's one thing, but then to turn around and try to extort money out of somebody to take it down, I think should be illegal. If not everybody's in the same position to pay those fees and to get their picture removed. So I think once it goes up, if everybody's picture is put up that's arrested, then that's fair. I don't think it's fair or should be legal to be able to extort just to get it removed.
Violating the law would be a Class 1 misdemeanor with a fine for a first offense. Many of these websites are run overseas, so it'd be tough to monitor them. Similar laws have faced opposition from the websites who claim to have a First Amendment right to operate. Bill supporters are hopeful that the bill will be signed into law by the end of this year's session. For the Rockbridge Report, I'm Jordan Missel.